Hello! Let's see how to change and adjust the survey theme in One-Click Survey. We can change the theme in the Edit Design tab. Under the General Themes, basic themes in different colours are available. Themes One-Click Survey Office and One-Click Survey Nature, where clicking on the next page changes the background images. Two themes for children. Embed themes for embedding a survey on a website. And themes for organizations. We activate the theme by clicking on it. Selecting a new theme also changes the mobile theme, which is visible under the current theme. If we want the mobile theme to be different, we select the appropriate theme under Mobile Themes. By clicking on the screen icon, we can preview every general theme and every mobile theme. We can customize the theme under Current Theme. Both the general themes and the mobile themes can be customized by clicking the three dots and Customize. While adjusting the theme, the changes are shown to us in the right window. We can upload our own logo, show or hide the progress indicator, change the font of the survey title, background color, question font, answer font, as well as radio and checkbox buttons. We save the changes, adjustments are recorded under the heading User Theme Modifications and CSS Themes, where it is possible to activate the adjustments retrospectively by clicking on the three dots. Advanced users who know the CSS language can edit the CSS in the CSS Editing tab, or upload their own CSS in the Upload Your Own CSS tab. A CSS template for current theme is also available here. This was a display of customizing the survey theme in One-Click Survey.